Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Those who do gardening know that we need some kind of fertilizers for our plants. Many prefer store-bought liquid fertilizers, but have you ever considered making your own liquid fertilizer for free? As you know, we do organic gardening in our rooftop garden. And we only use manure while preparing the soil. Rest of the times we only use liquid fertilizers. So today let us tell you about a liquid fertilizer that is the best but is very easy to make. First you need some rice water, then you need some vegetable peels or fruit peels that you do not need. Keep them in a container for mixing, then keep it away for fermentation for 6 days. You can do it even more quickly if you add some amount of bioenzyme with it. Bioenzyme helps in increasing the fermentation process. If you do not have bioenzyme, then you can always use jaggery. 10 grams of jaggery is enough for 1 bucket of liquid fertilizer. After about 1 week, make sure to stain that, then add some water and then simply give it to your plants. With this, you can add coffee powder or tea leaves. This liquid fertilizer is simple, but your plants will get all kind of micro and macronutrients that is needed for them. For instance, this is the carrot plant. For the fruiting of this plant, we require potassium, calcium, phosphorus, etc. But this liquid fertilizer will fulfill all its other nutrients as well. Keep on making this liquid fertilizer and then give it to your plants once a week. This will not only help in fruiting or flowering, this is also good for any kind of leafy vegetables. And while making this, make sure that once every day you have to stir the mixture and let the air circulate. This is the liquid fertilizer that my mom uses the most, as this is the most effective and very easy to make. Instead of this, we have made many other liquid fertilizers like banana peel fertilizer, eggshell fertilizer, wheat fertilizer, tea leaf fertilizer, fish tank water, cow dung fertilizer, and also mustard cake fertilizer. You can use any one that you think is very easy and is comfortable for you to use. But in my opinion, in case of leafy vegetables, tea leaf fertilizer is the best. That's all for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video.